Okay, when we left last time, we had basically decided we were going to put this in a table, and we had assignment one, exercise one, assignment two, exercise two. This works fine. If you can go ahead and assignment three, assignment four, assignment five on. You don't have to, if you're happy with doing it that way, then, stop the video right now and quit. But suppose you had 1,000 of these things to do. The reason they hire smart people like us, you and I, well, like you, is because we can find shortcuts in doing things. So this video is, you've got all the tools you need in the first two videos to be successful in CMIS 2100. This is just a little lagniappe, a little Louisiana tradition of extra. So what we're looking at now is we're looking at how can I make this to where I can do 1,000 of these in a hurry. And the answer is, ta-da, the Excel spreadsheet. We can do a lot of things in Excel. All right. So what we're going to do now is the first thing we're going to do is I'm just going to start out here because I need to do some stuff on the left and right. But I'm going to come up and I'm going to call this assignment. Am I the only one that keeps doing assignment? Assignment one. All right. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to do exercise one. Now, Excel has this wonderful ability that if you can get on this, well, let me go ahead and spread that out. If you can get on this little autofill box right there and pull this down, it'll actually fill those in for you. All right. Same thing over here with exercise, but I'll show you a little later that we're going to do this a little different. All right. So we know that we have to have two square brackets and two square, whoops, wrong way, and two square brackets. Now, if I put those brackets in here, Excel may or may not pick up on it. Same thing here. Two square brackets here, two square brackets here. Okay. Now, we've got that. All right. So what I want to do now is I want to see if I use this to create a table. And so I'm going to come over here. Well, all right. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to use an Excel command. Oh, hang on a second. Let me just fix something here. All right. Give myself a little more room here. Okay. I'm going to use an Excel command. It's one of these functions, if you remember from 1150. I said there was a whole world of smart here in this little function button. All right. And the command I'm going to use is called concatenate. So equals, and then concatenate, big fancy word. All right. And what concatenate does is it sticks text together. So I'm going to stick together that B2, comma, C2, comma, D2, close the bracket, and then I hit return, and guess what? I've created assignment one. All right. Now what I'm going to do, slide everything over a little bit. I'm going to skip a column. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to do the same thing. Equals, concatenate. And now what do I want? I want that set of brackets, comma, exercise, comma, that set of brackets. Close it out. And now I have exercise one. Now the neat thing about this is, although y'all can't really see me do it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach over here. I'm going to grab this whole line. Remember that little magic button right there? I'm going to drag all this down. And now what I've done is I've created all that stuff you were supposed to type in. I simply grab this thing, I copy it. Now I'm going to go back out to my Moodle spreadsheet. I mean my Moodle wiki, I'm sorry. I'm basically going to wipe all this stuff out. But anyway, and then I just paste. And I've basically put everything in there. Swing down, save it. And there, if you'll notice, in the period of just a few seconds, I've basically done my entire homework assignment. And each one of these are links, and they're all properly done. Excel makes your life real simple if you know how to use it. That's all for now.